Besan Halwa, also known as Besan Halwa or Besan Shira, is a delicious Indian sweet made from gram flour, also called besan, ghee, sugar, and various flavorings. Here's a detailed recipe to make this delightful dessert. Ingredients: 1 cup besan or gram flour, half a cup of ghee, which is clarified butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, but you can adjust this to taste, 2 cups of water or milk for a richer flavor, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of chopped nuts such as cashews, almonds, or pistachios, a pinch of saffron strands, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, also optional, and finally, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Equipment: you will need a heavy-bottomed pan or kadai, a spatula, and measuring cups and spoons. Now, onto the instructions. Prepare the ingredients. Measure all the ingredients and keep them ready. If you're using saffron, soak it in a tablespoon of warm milk or water to release its color and aroma. Okay, so step 2. Roast the besan. In a heavy-bottomed pan, heat the ghee on medium heat. Once the ghee is hot, add the besan. Now, make sure you stir continuously to roast the besan evenly. This process can take about 10 to 15 minutes. You want it to turn golden brown and emit a nutty aroma, but be careful not to burn it. Alright, now step 3. Add sugar and liquid. Once the besan is roasted, reduce the heat to low. Gradually add the water or milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. The mixture will bubble up. Continue to stir until it thickens. Next, step 4. Incorporate sugar and flavorings. Add sugar to the mixture. It will melt and combine well, making the halwa gooey. Stir in the cardamom powder, saffron if you're using it, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Alright, so once the mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan, it's time to add the chopped nuts and, grated coconut if you're using it. Just go ahead and stir well to combine everything nicely. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. The halwa should have a rich consistency and a slightly glossy appearance. Once done, transfer the besan halwa to a serving dish. You can garnish it with more chopped nuts or a sprinkle of cardamom powder. If you want a softer halwa, add a bit more milk or water while cooking. For a firmer halwa, let it cook a bit longer. You can add other flavorings like rose water or orange blossom water for a unique twist. Besan halwa can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Reheat before serving. Enjoy your homemade besan halwa. It's perfect for festivals, special occasions, or simply as a delightful treat.